In today's video, I will walk you through how to change clothes color in Adobe Photoshop. First, open the Object Selection tool. Under Mode, select Lasso, then create a loose selection around the shirt. After that, click Subtract from Selection at the top. Create another selection around the cord to remove it from the selected area. Now click on the Adjustment Layer icon and create a solid color layer. Choose any color you want. I'm going to select red, then click OK. Next, change the blend mode to linear burn. Now zoom into the image so you can check the edges of the selection. You'll notice the edges look a little too sharp, so let's fix that. Select the mask on the solid color layer. Then go to Window and open the Properties panel. Inside the Properties panel, increase the feather value to 2.5 pixels. This will soften the edges of the color change. Once you're satisfied with the result, close the Properties panel. Now decrease the opacity to 75%. At this point, you can go back and choose any color you want for the clothing. You can switch it to yellow, blue, black, or any other color you prefer. I'm going to keep the shirt red, and that's it. That's how you can quickly change the color of clothes in Adobe Photoshop.